Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Today we are going to see how to add dynamic chart title. So for that, first of all we take a bar chart. We take dimension as region name, country name, and take a measure as a sum of sale. Okay, so this is sum of sale. So the chart is showing us the sum of sale across the countries. So for adding the title under appearance tab, we are going to add title sum of sale. By clicking this function expression button, we can add the function add sum of sale. So you can see that this is sum of the sale. In subtitle we can say average of sale, and by pressing this function expression button we can get average of sale. As you can see here, average of sale, and in footnote we can count the customers, total customers, and and count customer ID. So you can see here it's giving us count of customers. So here you can see sum of sale in title, average of sale in subtitle, and in footnote we are having count of customers. So by clicking this United States selected, so in United States we have sum of sale this amount, and average of sale this amount, and total customers 11,675. So this is how we can create dynamic chart title.